Which is the largest living mammal on Earth? Answer option B, blue whale. Which bird is widely known as a universal symbol of peace? Answer option A, dove. How many hearts does an octopus have? Answer option C, 3. Which of these birds cannot fly? Answer option B, penguin. What is a group of lions called? Answer option C, pride. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Answer option C, camel. Which is the fastest land animal? Answer option B, cheetah. What is the only mammal capable of true and sustained flight? Answer option B, bat. Which bird lays the largest eggs in the world? Answer option B, ostrich. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? Answer option C, lizard. Which animal is known to have the most powerful bite in the world? Answer option A, saltwater crocodile. What is a baby kangaroo called? Answer option B, joey. Which bird can fly backward? Answer option A, hummingbird. How many legs does a spider have? Answer option B, 8. What color is a polar bear's skin underneath its white fur? Answer option C, black. Which bird is known for its excellent night vision and ability to rotate its head up to 270 degrees? Answer option B, owl. Which mammal spends most of its life hanging upside down from trees? Answer option B, sloth. What is the main food source for giant pandas? Answer option C, bamboo. Which marine animal is actually a mammal and not a fish? Answer option A, dolphin. Which bird is the national symbol of the United States? Answer option B, bald eagle. What is the primary defense mechanism of a porcupine? Answer option B, sharp quills. Which animal is famous for changing its skin color to match its surroundings? Answer option B, chameleon. Which bird builds the largest tree nests? Answer option B, bald eagle. What is a female elephant called? Answer option A, cow. Which snake is the longest venomous snake in the world? Answer option A, black mamba. Which animal is a marsupial native to Australia? Answer option C, koala. What do bees collect from flowers to make honey? Answer option B, nectar. Which bird is famous for mimicking human speech and other sounds? Answer option A, parrot. How do crickets produce their chirping sound? Answer option A, by rubbing their wings together. Which animal lays eggs instead of giving birth to live young? Answer option A, platypus.